previous video we are doing exercise 4.1 and we have been previously I leave question 5 which is probably there is a mistake in the question 5. Now I have write in the correctly form. Now you can see that 9x square plus 4 minus 169y square minus 12x. Now in these questions we have to arrange our terms. Now how you will arrange? You will arrange them according to their variables. 9x square plus 4 minus 169. Now here is 12x. Now we are going to arrange 12x by like this. For example, we are going to arrange this 11x square by no 9x square, and then we take this is 12x, and I have arranged here 12x and 169 at the end, put it at the end. Now we have to put them into the end. Now you are going to have let me choose the plan. So you have this arranged. Now this is your formula. Again, a square, that is 3x square, and b square, that is 2 square, and 2ab you can check 2a 3x and b. This is your formula 2ab, and this is these three are in common formula. Now you have another 169, you have a square root minus 13y whole square. Now this will become whole square a 3x minus 2, because there is minus in the center, minus 2 whole square minus 13. Now you can use this formula a square minus b square. You have a 3x minus 2 and b 13y square. So you have a plus b and now putting a 3x minus 2 plus 13y. Now our a is 3x minus 2. Now second is minus b. The minus b is 13y. So this is your factor. Now we have arranged them 3x 13y minus 2 and 3x. Now again, let's discuss 12 question. 12 question says question 12 says that x power 4 plus 4m square. Now there is a mistake in previous video, and I have considered it again. Now we can break x square into 2 and 2m square as a 2 inside and 2 outside. So this question will be solved by the completing square method. Now we know this is your formula a square plus 2ab, and there must be a plus 2ab. So we have a and b. Now we add 2ab, that is a x square, and b 2m square. Now when we add it, we must subtract it because we have to balance the question. So this is minus 2ab. Now this becomes the perfect square, that is whole square a plus b. Now a x square plus 2m whole square. Now this remains minus. I have multiplied them. I will have 4x square minus m square. Now again, this is again formula a square minus b square. Now simply in this question you have to put your 2ab term, and then you have to make it perfect square. Now this is your a and b. Now x square plus 2m plus b, x square plus 2m square minus b. This is your b term. Now in this question you have proved that this is the x square of 4, and also now again this question is of again same thing. Now what is same thing? It is the same thing because we have a term, b term, and we don't have any 2ab term. Now we arrange them. First we decide which is a and b. Our a is supposed to m power 4, and then 1 we took and m square in the another. Now breaking a 4, 2 into 2, and this will give you this will give you 2. Now this will give you 2 and 2 inside and 2 outside, and plus 1 you can take square of plus 1 of any. Now we are going to solve this. And now we don't have 2ab term, we have only m square. So I am putting m square 2ab. We have decided a, that is m square, and b 1. So 2 times m square into 1. This is our 2ab. Now we have to subtract it, minus 2ab m square multiplied by 1. Now again the remaining m square, that is the remaining n square, this is m square, will at the end. Now remember that you have made a perfect square, but this is a plus, and so this is your minus. So this will become whole square m square plus 1 upon whole square. Now this 2m square will be subtracted to this m square, and that will give you minus m square. So our answer is a square m square plus 1 whole square minus m square. Now again we will use this formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So our m square plus 1 plus m square minus m. Now this is your question we have solved. Now the question is 14. Now 14 is a simple question. We have minus 3x square minus 21x cube and plus 24x square. Now we have 3x power 4. Now there is a minus. Take the minus common outside. We can also observe that 3 is common inside. So I am taking minus 3 outside. And again you have x square is also common. This is the first step of factorization. If there is common anything, you must bring it back outside. Minus 3x square. Now the remaining will be x power 2, because 2 you have taken outside 2. Now 21, 3 7s are 21. Now divided by 3 you will get plus, because you have took the minus outside, plus 7x, and 3 4s are 8s are 24. So you have 8. Now this will be remain the outside. Now we are going to break the middle term. Now minus 8 multiply 1, you will minus. Now you need a factor whom multiply you will get minus 8, and when you subtract you will must have plus 7. So our factors are plus 8x minus 8. Now taking x in common between them, x plus 8. Now there is nothing common, we can take minus 1. So minus 1 taking outside, this minus will be plus, and this will be go to the plus. So now taking this x plus 8 outside, the other x minus 1 is here, and you have this answer. Now the question number 15 is against like the same question number 15, x power 8 plus x power 4. Now you have a missing term. What is your missing term? Your missing term is x power 8, but there is no 2ab term. So I am again arranging it x power 8 plus 1 and x plus power 4 at the last. Now breaking 4 2s are 8 and plus 1 whole square. Now adding 2ab, that is your x power 4 and b is 1. 2x square power 4 1 minus 2x square, and this will give you now this will give you x square and minus 2x power 4 into 1. Now the remaining x power 4 will be outside. So this x power 4 is here, x power 4. So now multiplying this will give you minus 2x power 4. Now adding plus you have minus x power 4, because this is 2 and this is plus 1. So subtracting you will get minus, because bigger sign. Now this becomes whole square, x power 4 plus 1 whole square. Now again arranging this formula using a square minus b square, x square plus 1, your a and your b is x square, because you have break 4 into 2 into 2, because this is formula is of 2, x square plus 1 minus x square. So this is your answer for the time of being. Now you can go further for this, again completing square method, because these the questions are lengthy question. Now again breaking this x power 4 and taking 1 x2 2 and 1 square plus 2ab, 2x square multiply 1 minus 2x square multiply 1 plus x square. Now this is your first portion, this bracket. Now the second bracket is for x power 4. We can not break it, so we are going to leave it here. Now again this is your whole square and x square plus 1 whole square minus x square minus 2, you have 1, subtracting you have minus x square, x power 4 minus x square. Now again a square minus b formula, x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x, and arranging we have this, we put this first bracket to this, and this is your answer. Now remember that you cannot break it, that is why we are leaving it. Now question number 16, this is a simple, again this is also used for completing square method. You have a missing term 2ab. Now we are making this same we can take common 4. X power 4 plus 64 y square. Now x power 4 plus 65, your a is x square 2 plus 8y square 2 plus 2ab. This is 2ab and this is 2 your a minus a 2ab. Now we have packed it through the whole square formula by using this. If these are 3 terms, you can write a plus b whole square plus it was minus 16x square y. And this is your x square plus 8y square 2 minus 4x square. Now again this is your a square minus b square formula, x square plus 8y square plus 4xy, x square minus 4xy. This is your answer. This is your a is bigger and b is small. Now I am taking the questions. Now these questions are very easy, simple. You have to make the middle term break. Now you can arrange it. Now I have arranged it x square minus 7x plus 12. Now you can multiply, you must have 12 and adding you will get minus 7. So this is a 3x plus 4x our factors. Minus 3x minus 4x will give you 7 and multiplying it will give you plus 12. Taking common x minus 3 minus 4x and taking common x minus 3. Now the next bracket x minus 4. This is a simple question. 18 is also simple. X square minus 9x. Again you have 9 and 1. Sorry, 8 and 1. So minus 1 and 8x. When you multiply, you will get plus 8. Now remember that if the end is plus, factors are of same sign. And if end is negative, your factor must be opposite sign. So taking common x minus 1, and now you can take minus 8 common. Answer is x minus 1. Now take x minus 1 common outside. Now the other x and minus 8 in the second bracket. So you have x minus 8. Similarly, in question 19, again it is simple. You must have multiply 100. If you multiply 100 and factor adding, you must have 29. So these are 25x and minus 4x are the factors plus 10. So taking common 5x, 2x, because 5 is common, 5 and x is common. 2x minus 5. Now take the common minus 2, 2x minus 5. Now take the common 2x minus 5. This is your answer. Now 20 question. 20 question says minus 3y square plus 13y minus 4. Now you have to take this common outside. I am taking this common, minus common is outside. Now this is your minus outside. Now 3y square minus 13y plus 5. Now see, is there any common? Nothing. There is no common numbers. 3, 13, 4 are different. So I am going inside and break it. Now this minus will remain outside up to the end. So our factors are multiply for 3 is 12 and 1. You have minus 12y or minus 5. It will give you minus 13y, and when multiplied it will give you 12y square. Now taking common 3y, y minus 4 will be remaining 3y. You can take common single y and 4. Minus 1, there is nothing common. Minus 1 is common. Now change this sign, it will be minus. So now common taking y minus 4 is in both y minus 4 and 3y minus 4. This minus is still outside. And we have now we can multiply this minus. I have multiplied. So this will plus y will becomes minus y, and this 4 will be 4 minus 3y and 3y minus 1. So our answer is 3y minus 1, 4 minus 1. Good luck.